I only want to survive. I have a very decent arrangement with these people. I'm good.
That's why no one will remember you ever existed. You live too safe. Me, I love a challenge. I love a good war.
So what? You plan to go to war with these people?
No, them can wait. We have a local war to wage first.
Think you'd have left that life behind.
Every now and then, you have to remind people of who you are and what you stand for. Because some of them have selective or short-term memory.
We work hard to get to this place in our lives, so our money can work for us. But you insist on getting your hands dirty.
Adrian, I spend millions on political campaign, lawyer retainer, police protection, and I can't see no returns from it. A time for some people get some wake-up call.
In my humble opinion, would you like to know where I think you're going wrong?
Sure, let me hear.
You're operating from a place of emotions. Leave the emotions out, and you'll be able to select people who will give you better results.
Yeah, what? My shrink or my personal advisor?
Your downfall is going to be your arrogance.
Is that a threat, Badu? You planning on taking me out?
Tony, for your sake and mine, please sort this out. Because we need to sort out the shipment to get back to that regular schedule. If we don't sort this out, there's going to be a war. And a war will not benefit any of the parties involved. You can see yourself out.
No worry, Adrian. Me have a couple local people for pay a visit. After that, I think I might just pay your boss and a visit too.
Argon. Yeah. So yeah. Four projects. Manor Park, Uenden, Barbican, Avondale. All of them, they are some business projects, you know. So, business project in Avondale. Yeah, Airbnb, nice place. So, this brother I tried dabbling in every little thing. I'm greedy. Yeah. And my sources tell me say, I'm going to farming too. 40 acre land. A joke you make, right? Man, I plan for going about cash crop and livestock. I don't understand something. This future, is it real investment in my maker? I'm just desperate for going on some lucrative business. Come on, Carlton. We know desperation when we see desperation. You're desperate.